Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message before someone reads it on Telegram. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, if you want to delete a message before someone reads it, then this has to be in a situation where the receiver is not actually online at the moment of you sending the message. If the user is online and if they have your chat page opened up, then they will be able to see it before you delete it. So make sure that the user is not actually online and then open up the chat. Then simply long press on the message that you want to delete and you will find the trash can icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on the trash can icon and then make sure you select also delete for the other user. Once you select this option, go ahead and tap on delete. And now this will remove the message for both of you and the user will not be able to see it. And there you have it. That is how you can delete a message before someone sees it on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.